1. What is a full-stack developer? 2. What are the skills required for a full-stack developer? 3. What is the difference between front-end and back-end development? 4. How do you optimize website or application speed? 5. What are the best practices for securing a web application? 6. What is version control and which tools do you use for it? 7. What is your experience with databases and which ones have you used? 8. Can you explain MVC architecture? 9. Have you worked with any front-end frameworks? Which ones? 10. How do you stay up to date with the latest web development trends and technologies? Now, moving to the questions answers. Questions 1. What is a full-stack developer? Answer. A full-stack developer is a professional who has the skills and knowledge to work on both the front-end and back-end parts of a website or application. Questions 2. What are the skills required for a full-stack developer? Answer. A full-stack developer should have knowledge of programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and backend languages like Python, Ruby, and Java. In addition to these, they should be familiar with databases, web servers, APIs, and server-side languages like PHP and Node.js. Questions 3. What is the difference between front-end and back-end development? Answer. Front-end development is concerned with the user interface and user experience of a website or application, while back-end development deals with the server-side functionality, database management, and server configuration. Questions 4. How do you optimize website or application speed? Answer. To optimize website or application speed, I use various techniques such as minimizing HTTP requests, optimizing images, minimizing CSS and JavaScript files, caching, and using a content delivery network. Questions 5. What are the best practices for securing a web application? Answer. The best practices for securing a web application include using SSL encryption, validating user input, using parameterized queries, and implementing access controls and user authentication. Questions 6. What is version control and which tools do you use for it? Answer. Version control is a system that records changes to a file or set of files over time so that you can recall specific versions later. Git and GitHub are popular tools for version control. Questions 7. What is your experience with databases and which ones have you used? Answer. I have experience with various databases, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and Oracle. I am also familiar with database design and optimization techniques. Questions 8. Can you explain MVC architecture? Answer. MVC architecture is a software design pattern that separates an application into 3 interconnected parts: the model, the view, and the controller. The model represents the data and business logic, the view represents the user interface, and the controller manages the flow of data between the model and view. Questions 9. Have you worked with any front-end frameworks? Which ones? Answer. Yes, I have worked with various front-end frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue. I am also comfortable using front-end libraries like jQuery and Bootstrap. Questions 10. How do you stay up to date with the latest web development trends and technologies? Answer. I regularly read tech blogs and articles, attend webinars and conferences, participate in online forums and discussions, and follow industry leaders on social media. Additionally, I try to work on side projects to learn new technologies and stay current with the latest trends. Let's meet in the next important questions. Welcome to Manek Infotech.